Recently, there are many hair products that are made from this Asian herbs that had been used for centuries as health booster. Many researchers also support the use of this herb for hair growth and hair loss prevention. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse herb that's about to revolutionize your hair care routine: ginseng. Yes, you heard that right. Stick with me, and I'll tell you why this ancient China remedy is becoming the next big thing for hair growth and strength. Ginseng has been a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It's known for its ability to boost energy, improve skin health, and even enhance cognitive function. But did you know it's also a game changer for your hair? So, what makes ginseng the ultimate ingredient for hair care? Here are 3 key reasons why this herb is taking the beauty world by storm. 1. Promotes hair growth. Ginseng stimulates hair follicles and improves blood circulation to the scalp, creating the perfect environment for new hair to grow. 2. Strengthens hair strands. Packed with ginsenosides, a unique compound found in ginseng, it helps to strengthen and nourish your hair from root to tip, reducing breakage and split ends. 3. Fights hair loss. Ginseng has natural anti-inflammatory properties that combat scalp irritation, a common culprit behind hair thinning and loss. It also helps balance oil production for a healthier scalp, and the beauty industry has caught on. You'll now find ginseng in everything from shampoos to scalp serums. These products harness ginseng's natural goodness to give you thicker, healthier, and shinier hair. Imagine saying goodbye to dull, lifeless hair and hello to a full, voluminous mane. Ginseng is not just a trend, it's a time-tested solution backed by both tradition and science. So how can you start incorporating ginseng into your hair care routine? Look for shampoos and conditioners that feature ginseng as a key ingredient. Try a DIY ginseng hair mask by mixing powdered ginseng with a carrier oil like coconut or argan oil. Apply it to your scalp and hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly, or take it internally. Many believe ginseng supplements can also boost hair health from the inside out. There you have it, folks. Ginseng is officially the next big thing in hair care. If you're ready to transform your hair game, this ancient herb is worth a try. Have you already used ginseng for your hair? Let me know your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more beauty and wellness tips. Until next time, stay fabulous and take care of those luscious locks.